Oh God, you can see me in the truck.
If I drop my phone, is PSI gonna cover it?
Sure.
Hey Seth, this is an engine.
Things in the interior that we like about the truck, it's really clean, super clean, really clean. It's really clean, it's super clean. Overall, it really pleases us. Stop that, I'm all over the place. You've got the second part that'll open down, maybe. All right, you're gonna have to redo that. Then you press the secondary button, it'll open the, what in the this is pissing me off. God, stupid. I don't know.
Yep.
Very smooth, bigger stroke. I need a sugar daddy too, so I'm broke.